Too quiet for comfort.
Watch out!
Shit, trap!
Hit on! Not falling.
Get out of sight! Last one, all clear. Did you get hit?
I'm okay. Okay.
How is it? Any minute now?
I need more time!
Fucking A! Song! You alright?
Had a little luck. Can't last long. We're fucked, you know? I have to drop past the wall. No other way.
Neural bridge. Let's go. I'll be your backup.
Always can use a proxy. Ready for this?
Fire it up. Song, you okay? Let me help. Lean on me. Got a train to catch.
Fuck, that hurts.
It's gotta, I know, so me. But you killed it. Saved our asses.
Me. You hear that?
It's the Black Wall. No fear, Song. Right here with you. There you go. Launch pad soon. Finally. Whew. Still with me? Holding up? Myers just doesn't let up, does she?
She's made her life about achieving goals. Turned herself into a kind of machine.
Wow. You admire her.
The pushing forth, never looking back, used to piss me off. Now, wish the future was all I could think about. Listen to the hum. Wish I could fall asleep, never to wake again.
So me.
Reed. Had a dream about him recently. A repeat. Same damn nightmare. About that same damn train. Him dying because of what I did.
Just put it out of your mind for now.
Doubt I can.
Rest, please.
Could have chosen differently. Can't forgive myself.
There's no escaping remorse. Song?
Reed's not the only one I've betrayed.
Mine's wandering, Song. Blackwall, gotta be.
Neural Matrix V can only be used once.
Once? How so?
It's a captive AI from beyond the wall. Relies on continuous evolution to exist. I'll free it, and in the process, it'll then execute my commands and disintegrate irretrievably.
How long have you known this? That only one of us could come out alive.
Sign sure. I learned it existed. Started delving into.
Fuck me.
I think I think I'm gonna die soon. The regret wasn't honest with you. I'm sorry.
Could have told me the truth. Would have helped you anyway. Song?
Hot diggity fuck. Color me impressed. Bert took everyone for a ride. Myers, Hanson, Reed, you.
Now, the first time somebody screwed me sideways, still think I can walk, though.
Your attitude to what life sends your way. So touching sometimes. Woman dicked you hard and rough, though. Got the right to feel rage, want to rip her head off. But she stuck it out to the very end. That commands respect.
Fuck all that. Thing is, you and me are back at square one. Still have that problem. Finding some way to save ourselves.
Could always call Reed on the hollow.
Think he'd kill me.
Damn, globe-sized ego, V. You mean zilch to him. One, just one person he's gunning for. Well, nice to drop in and shoot some shit, V. High time you woke her, though.
Hey, Song. Almost there. Clearly need some help. Nearly there. Ends in sight. Fucking hell.
Stop there.
Look, look. Putting her down.
Slow down. So, what do you want to do?
You're not taking her anywhere.
Spare me the quote straight out of Bushido 10. Look at her, V. Be serious. You want to send her to the moon? Our neurosurgeons are her only chance.
I'm sorry, man. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
You had no choice.
Gonna be okay. One last push. You're bound for the moon, Somi. Getting away from them all. Get that feeling too sometimes. Drop everything, leave it all behind. Wouldn't it be nice? Let's see, what do we got here?
Life support activated.
Diagnostics. Pressure, O2, infusion pump. Gently now.
Warning system memory clear.
Good luck, Song. In spite of it all.
Hatch locked and sealed. Internal power activated. Hydrogen pressure sufficient for takeoff. Automatic boot sequence initiated.
Well, No turning back now.
T-minus 60 seconds. RS-25, main engine ignition.
Here we go.
First time I've ever launched a spacecraft. You?
Same, man. Same.
T-minus 50 seconds. Solid propellant engines burning. Spark igniters active.
Whatever awaits her in orbit. Hope she ends up happy.
She's free. Slammed it home. She has just a bit of what I lacked entirely. Fucking luck.
Luck played no part in it, Johnny. You and her just wanted different things.
Really? So do tell. What was it I wanted so badly?
Applause. Cheers. Did absolutely everything to please the crowd.
Nah. Maybe. Guess I could have done more. Been different. Maybe. Could also be I was convinced I couldn't make it out alive. And maybe, just maybe that chick had great follow-through to the fucking end. And I lacked that last ounce of determination. Duh.
Well, at least you're being honest with yourself. That in itself is some version of freedom.
What do you say next? Be all you can be? Limitations are all in my head?
Just watch the show, Johnny.
T0, liftoff.
She made it. Free, that's what counts.
Found out treasures are always lost. Pleasures and rage come back. I'm watching you. Be careful with your moves tonight. I think the time is right. I think the blood is dried. It cries for more. So what are we waiting for? Wires and chains starting to fade. It feels like a game you have to play. Lights out. Is this who you really are? Can't look into your eyes. Your twisted mind. It's dark, so dark. We end it now. It ends right here, right now. Please tell me you brought the end. feels like a game. You have to the days where it was good are gone. I'm trying to see what it was for, but I'll never know. And though it's dead, I hear that wires and chains starting to fade. Feels like a game you can't escape. Wires and chains starting to fade. Feels like a game you can't escape. I found out treasures are always lost. Pleasure